Alright y'all, we are headed to this restaurant supply facility. We're gonna look at deep freezer space, trying to get a commercial freezer. So that's what we're doing right now, to see what they have in stock. And today's gonna be kind of crazy. We're gonna train biceps, triceps, and shoulders. We gotta update all of our clients' macros, and we gotta try and keep on top of everything else. So it's gonna be kind of chaotic, but hold on and see what happens.
Alright, so sitting here talking to Robert and kind of just feeling overwhelmed and stressed, and you know, we've really worked hard on building up this life of, you know, being able to, you know, work from home and do all this stuff that we really truly enjoyed. But it's amazing how you can just work and work and work. It's crazy that you can never feel caught up. Like, we can literally work 24/7 and we will never feel caught up. It's a cool feeling because you just have so much to do, and you know that what you're doing is finding success, you know, or is being successful. But at the same time, it's really overwhelming to just never feel like everything is done. So that's your little clip from Crystal today. To add to the chaos, Robert's truck is currently breaking down. So that's cool.
Alright y'all, here's some of the freezers we're looking at. Just scaling up, y'all, getting some more equipment in. Look at this beast. Boom. Got all kinds of food in there. Look at that spatula, y'all, that's a beast. Pretty cool stuff in here. I'm digging it. What do you think, babe?
Love it.
Alright, y'all, just got done looking at some freezer space. I don't know if we're gonna get a double door or a single door, but we're gonna scale up and get one or the other. Plus, we'll have access to the other double door, so we're gonna get a ton of freezer space going to expedite these keto brick production runs. So it's gonna be good. I'm excited about this. Moving up, upward and onwards, y'all, upward and onwards. Alright, y'all, we're here at the old stomping grounds, the Fit Factory. About to work out. Here we go. Alright, y'all, Crystal's got a client call in like an hour, so we're gonna have to bang out this workout. But this is kind of like what the gym's looking like, called Fit Factory. It's got a pretty cool little setup. I like it. She guys kill this bicep, tricep, and shoulder workout. Alright, y'all, I figured out the key to melting away your booty fat. With this belt on here, that's all you need to do right there. Magic.
You should see the back view.
What?
I said you should see the back view.
Getting jiggy with it. Alright, so we're at the dry cleaners right now. Isn't that right?
No, we're at Starbucks.
No, we're just joking. Look at that, Starbucks here in the building. Alright, y'all. We are headed to Kroger. And if you don't know what Kroger is, it's one of the best grocery stores ever. So we're gonna go check it out real quick.
This is one of my favorite stores.
It's like walking into a jungle. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try this new bread cheese here. This is super good. Isn't it?
So good.
I also got some of this stuff. It's gonna be pretty tasty. The macros are pretty good. We'll try it. Right now we're just walking around making a scene in the grocery store. By the way, Sunday is Mother's Day. We're gonna go to my folks' house. We're gonna have a steak. My mom doesn't know it yet. We're gonna surprise her. So that's kind of our plan there. Today we're working on client macros. Tomorrow we're gonna work on client macros. Sunday, spending time with family. That's what it's all about.
What just happened, baby?
My engine blew up. Well, not technically. My serpentine belt blew up. I ain't got no serpentine belt now, which means my engine can't cool, which means I'm gonna overheat if I drive it right now, which means I need to fix my truck. Again.
And Crystal had to cancel client calls because we're stuck on this side of the road.
Day in the life.
It's a good thing this guy knows how to fix a vehicle. And you know what? This view, not too shabby.
Alright, y'all, check this out. Little car talk here. This is the pulley that goes onto my serpentine belt. As you can see, there's no threads on that pulley, and it is sheared off completely.
And it's smoking.
As a result, there's my serpentine belt. Not on my engine where it should be. Learning something, aren't you? Alright, y'all. This is that pate.
Woo!
That's what it looks like. Is it focused?
Nope, not one. There you go.
It looks and smells kind of funky, but I like pate. So while we're broke down on the side of the road, we're gonna get some. So the macros are pretty good on this. For one serving, which is 2 ounces, we've got 12 grams of fat, less than 1 gram of carb, and 7 grams of protein with no preservatives. So let's give it a shot. It's pretty good. I like it. It's a good way to get your liver in. Pate, by the way, this is pork liver. Pretty tasty. Like my utensil. Alright, y'all, it is 10 o'clock. Just got the truck fixed up. Now I gotta go home, stay up all night to work on my client macros and edit this YouTube video. So, another day in the life. Huge shout out to my Uncle Jimbo. Saved the day right here. Here we go. Alright, y'all, this is that frying cheese. It's called bread cheese. Pretty good stuff. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna hit my macros for the day. I'm gonna jump on the computer. I'm gonna get to work. See y'all tomorrow.